Welcome back to Toys and Books Are Fun! This is the 6th episode of our coding series. Welcome to those who have already watched past episodes, but if you're just beginning to code or you don't have a Scratch account, I would highly recommend starting our series from episode 1. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's get started! Today I'm going to be teaching you about how to use pen, and what pen is. It's actually a really cool way to code drawings and artwork. So let's get started. So you're going to need to choose a sprite. You can choose any sprite, but today I think I'm going to choose Ladybug. Okay, so now we have our Ladybug here. We're going to do first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull out the green flag and get our pen blocks. Now the pen blocks are in here, this Add Extension Center, so we're going to click on that. And here we have lots of different extensions. What we need here is pen. So draw with your sprites. We're going to click on pen. So these are all of the pen blocks here. It's added to your menu, as you can see. And first thing we're going to pull out is the erase all, so that whenever you create creations, at first, the first thing that happens when Go is clicked is that everything is erased, so it's a new canvas. Okay, so now we're going to go to events. So this is going to be completely interactive, only for the user to create art. So we're going to do it all with keys. So the first thing we're going to do is when space key pressed, we're going to go to pen and we're going to do stamp. Now what this does is basically, we're going to do one other thing though. We have to do control forever, and then you have to do motion, go to mouse pointer. This makes the sprite forever go to your mouse pointer whenever Go is clicked, so it actually looks like the Ladybug is actually kind of like your cursor, except on the coding screen, of course. And whenever we press space, it's stamped onto the canvas here, and so we can create artwork using the mouse and the different keys. Okay, so now we're going to use two keys. We're going to use the left and right arrow key. So we're going to use space, right arrow, and left arrow. Okay, and now we're going to do something. We're going to turn 15 degrees, both of the turn 15 degrees for the right and left arrow, clockwise and counterclockwise. So now, when Go is clicked, whenever you click on the arrow keys, it turns, and then you can stamp it like so. So it's like the ladybugs are moving. You can add direction to the art as well, just like so. Okay, and I'm going to stop, and you see here that we have the different directions of the ladybug. Okay, so now we're going to change size. To change size, you can use any arrow keys or keys on the keyboard that you like, but I'm going to use the up arrow and the down arrow for size. So size is in the looks menu. You can just change size by 10 when the up arrow is clicked, and change size by -10 when the down arrow is clicked. So now left and right arrow change the direction. The up arrow changes the size. Now we can try that out. So up arrow makes it bigger, and down arrow makes it smaller, and the left and right arrows change the direction. Perfect. Looks awesome. Okay, so now we can change the color. So to change the color, maybe we can use the C key, the key that's C for color. So I'm going to use C, and we're going to do change color effect by 25. So now if we make it bigger and we click C, we can see that the color changes, alien bug or something. And then we have all sorts of different colors, and on our canvas. Okay, so now we can also add other costumes to our ladybug so that it switches costumes whenever it's whenever you click a button. So we're going to click on the costumes and choose a costume. And so here maybe we can choose, maybe it can switch to bananas. So now whenever we gotta code it now, so you click on events and you pull out a when space key press block, and we're going to change it to maybe we can change it to S for switch costume. So then all you need to do, it's really easy, just pull out the next costume block. So when go is clicked, whenever you click S, it switches costumes. Maybe the ladybug is going to the bananas, and all of them want to eat the bananas or something. Oh, yummy bananas! We all love bananas. Who doesn't like bananas? And then we can just do it like that. Okay, so now we can add a few more costumes in the costumes tab. Maybe we can add maybe the crab. And oh my god. And maybe we can add some other costumes as well. Like the donut. And maybe a few more. Maybe we can add this one. We can add the diver. And maybe this is the last one. For the last one, we should add maybe this dog. Or this one with the tongue out. Okay, so now we have all sorts of different sprites. So now whenever we click S, it switches the costume, and you can choose which costume you want. For example, the doggy is running to get the donut. We're gonna make it bigger, huge donut. And then you can make all sorts of different kinds of artwork using this. Okay, so now we're going to do the switch backdrop. Change the backdrop of the artwork. So we're going to add all sorts of different backdrops. You can choose any backdrops you like. Maybe I'm going to choose the boardwalk or the colorful city. And maybe we can add which one? Maybe the pool. Jumping over the pool to get to the donut. Or it's a donut floaty on the pool or something. The playground. You can add as many as you like. And we're going to go here, and whenever you click maybe B, we can go to looks, we go next backdrop. So let's try our code. So whenever we click go, we click, oh, we can make this a bit smaller maybe, B, it switches the costume, and then whenever you click S, we have different costumes here in S. So we have the diver swimming in the pool, and then maybe we have a ladybug flying in the air, different color. We can switch the color here, make it point in different directions. So as you can see, it's a really interactive art. Wait, I had an idea. What if we put the crab on the maybe on the donut? You can switch the color of the crab. So you can do all sorts of different things with these different blocks and the pen block. So thanks for watching episode 6 of Toys and Books Are Fun's coding series. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell because the next video is coming soon. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Toys and books are fun!